Welcome to Draw at Home with Tupperberry Art. I'm Miss Kimberly, and this St. Patrick's Day, we're going to draw a rainbow leading to a pot of gold. So, our luck is about to get started. Remember to pause the video and work at your own pace. First thing we're going to start with is clouds, and these are made up of basic shapes, which is a circle. So you're going to draw one circle, the biggest one in the middle, and small ones coming off to the side. I got 2 on each side coming out, and notice the size gets a little bit smaller. Once you have that, it will make it easy for you to outline the outside. This will give you a nice cloud shape. And then when you're done, you can erase the lines in the middle. Draw a line on the bottom to show where the ground is going to be. And then on top of that, we're going to draw a circle. This is our pot of gold. And on top of the circle, you're going to draw another shape. That is an oval. It sits right on top at an angle. And to connect these two, you're going to give a little curve line, like a little C, from the oval to the circle. Get that eraser out again and just erase that top part of the circle. And now you can see the pot is starting to take shape. Let's draw some handles on our pot. So think about drawing the letter C, 2 of them on each side. Inside your pot of gold, put little arch lines in, like a little top of the rainbow. And this is going to represent our coins inside. And now let's connect these. So from the top of the cloud into the side of the rainbow, because we got to make a lot of room for all our colors, we're going to have a nice colorful rainbow. So this part, you don't have to draw it all in. Instead, grab your crayons and move through the colors of the rainbow. And feel free to blend those colors a little bit over top of each other too. As you finish up with your coloring and your background, remember to get creative. You could add grass, you could add shamrocks, 3, 4-leaf clovers at the grass. And some few tips for coloring: add blue just on certain spots of your cloud, but you can leave it white. And then take a few shades of green and add that to your leaves and your ground, and the same thing with the pot. Don't just do one color, find a few colors to shade on top of each other. Thank you so much for doing another Draw at Home video with Tupperberry Art. Remember, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel, come back and do more drawings with me, and have a great St. Patrick's Day. I hope you get lucky.